Hey guys, this wig is from Julia Hair on Amazon. I got their 16-inch Brazilian curly lace front unit. It is so cute. So it has like 4 inches of parting space and 3 combs in the front and a comb in the back. Amazon has been hooking me up lately. And like I said, this unit is 16 inches, so it looks super natural on. This is how it looks fresh on my head, and I was not feeling it. It was just too boring. So I decided to add some highlights to my unit, and also I wanted to kind of test it to see if the hair was good quality, and it passed. Also, if you want to see a more detailed tutorial on how to highlight your hair, leave a comment below, and I could definitely do that. I let it sit in the foils for 30 minutes, and then I went ahead and toned it to take out all the grassiness, and then I let the toner sit for 25 minutes. I will leave all products that I use below for those that want to know. Leave a comment and let me know if y'all want a tutorial on this. Okay, so boom, she cute or whatever. I always use Got To Be Glue to lay my baby hairs down, and I did not glue this wig down at all. I just laid the baby hairs. I did not feel like doing all that. Okay, Amazon. Okay, Julia. I see you with the pre-cut baby hairs. By the way, this hair is so fluffy and so soft. It's just like my hair. Okay, major life decision. Middle part or a side part? Because my hair is shaped like a hammerhead. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on all my social media, subscribe to my channel, and comment video ideas below. Love you.